Okay, it's Halloween and I just got off stream. Shout out to everybody that was there and saw it. It looks a mess because I just like took it out of whatever I had it in. But I'm making cookies. Oatmeal, chocolate chip, if you will. I had some dark chocolate. I chopped it in there with some cinnamon. Put a tiny bit of almond flour, vanilla extract, peanut butter, and yeah, we're about to form them. This is my Halloween. Welcome to my Halloween. And I'm actually really hype about it. I almost feel like I could use a little olive oil. Boom. Okay, update. The cookies were good, but I mean, because they're gone. But I should have blended the oats, honestly, because then it would have stuck together more. It was like super crumbly, like they were falling apart. I was like scooping them into my mouth, like it just, it wasn't very much of a cookie. It was more of like a granola crumble, you know? But, yeah. And then I tried to save it by like adding milk to the cookies that were like still in the pan and putting them back in the oven. They just got crumblier. It did not work. I should go back to Instagram and look at more recipes because trying to just do it myself. But like, sometimes I do good, but then I don't record it. And then I'm like, damn, I should have recorded that. So I don't know. But yeah, we're just betting on tennis now. It's like really fun. Okay, snack number 2. My zucchini hummus. Really good. Lemon juice. I don't even think I added salt, to be honest. Lemon juice is perfect. It's enough. It's great. A+.
Music and love music from the jump. So that was my just plan A. I ain't even have a plan B. I made myself not have a plan B on purpose just so I can fulfill my plan A.
I had these from doing stand-in work on Survivor's Remorse, and I've always like had them on this binder, and I just thought it looks really cool. I've always loved that, like how I collected the tape. But I'm gonna move it to a painting and glaze over it clear, so I can really keep it long, because I don't think I'm gonna keep this, you know, that long. I'm gonna switch it out. So yeah, just moving them over, trying. They're really stuck. I already kind of ripped the thing, but it doesn't have to be perfect. They just need to be on there. It actually looks kind of cool with it ripped off. Made some overnight oats. Oh my goodness. These are so good. Just put some avocado tacos together. I made like a hummus avocado spread thing. What was I about to say? I just made some avocado hummus tacos, and I'll show you guys how I did it. Super easy. Just finished a video on how to make this. Check it out. It's so good. So good. Wait, is there more? Extroverted, 75% extroverted. These cookies turned out so good. Oh, a little hot. Need to let them cool.
You're fine. I was just gonna ask you a question. What do you think the current market cap of Cardano
I
is?
made these bigger.
I would say, given the...
Let's go. Let's go. Made it again, but I used cavatappi. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so happy. Ooh, yes.
This is, you know, I just never know what my night's gonna lead. This is just everything right now. I'm just it really is. I'm just like.
Dad, I love
This
you,
is
bro.
everything. Please, you got. I need to. Yes, this is giving bathroom fabulosity.
I'm crying.
It's giving for a woman.
Oh my gosh. This turned out so good. I swapped out everything with milk and made my own cream sauce. Didn't use sour cream, didn't use Parmesan cheese. I used nutritional yeast for like the cheese. But it's so good. The breadcrumbs. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
To a king, what's a king to a god? What's a god to a non?
Let's fucking go.
Man, no, I'll ask like, should I go to this party, even though this person is over there? Should I have this person on stream? Should I do this? Should I do that?
The couch is gone. It's so nice and spacious. I've been like stretching and just like really enjoying the space. Really enjoying the space. I should have got rid of that couch a long time ago. But yeah, getting rid of any distractions. TV's gone. I would show myself, but I'm about to get in the shower. So yeah, newest painting. Like, damn.